Hey folks, I'm going to cover how to do Git branching off of the project that I've been working on. I did a first video on how to use some things to set up the project, but now it's getting a little more advanced. So let me show you in Forecaster, which is what I've been building, and I put some functions in here. So you'll see I only have one branch. I only have a master branch, and I'm starting to get to the point where I want to have more focused branches for things. So what I'm going to do is through command line, go ahead and clone to start the project. And I'll show you how to set up a branch and merge it and set up some permanent things here. So let's go into Forecaster. And so if I just look at all the branches that are available, there's only one branch. So there's a master branch. I'm going to create an RCode branch. Okay. And so now, if we look at all the branches, there's a master branch and there's an RCode branch. You'll notice that I am in the master branch still. I have not done a checkout and switched to the code branch. To do that, I would just use git checkout and the branch name. You'll see after your folder path, after your folder, you'll see what branch you're always working in. But if you run git branch, it'll also show you with -a where you are. And the origin stuff matters here for what I'm about to do next. So this, I could go ahead and develop here and then merge it, but it won't go back to the project itself and add a permanent branch called RCode. It will only store it locally. So what I'm going to do is a get push to origin with the branch name. Okay, new branch, RCode. We look back at the forecast project. Two new branches. There's an RCode branch now, so that'll be permanent permanently in here. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to open up my project. So I'll open up the actual R IDE. And here we go. Go ahead and bring that into view. Okay, so what I'm going to do is make a quick change into the function that I built. So I wrote the simulator function. It's testing well. And you know, once you start writing functions and you start reusing code like this up here, this looks like another good place to write another function. So I'll just make a note here. Okay, so we go ahead and save. Back in the, oh, I should show you, this is important. So back in RStudio, you will notice at the very, very top title bar, the branch that I am working in is up in the title bar. Good, you can see it on the cast. We're not going through using RStudio with Git. I'm doing everything through the command line, but there is a Git tab. You can see I've made changes to the R simulator, but we're not going to do anything through the actual interface. Back to the command line, our trusty friend. We will do a git status. Okay, so we see simulator changed. I'm going to skip doing add. I'm going to do just a quick commit with 2 flags and a quick comment. Okay. Status, nothing to commit. Working directory is clean. So you wouldn't do a push or anything here because we have not merged the R code from, actually I don't think you can do a push. Fatal, current branch R code has no upstream branch. So we will do get checkout master. Okay, switching back to master. Let's go ahead and do get merge. So everything is up to date. Everything is up to date. Let's see. Did I make a mistake there? Let's see. So if we look at the log, okay, so branch test, but my comment was around functions. So where am I stuck? Merge tells me it's already up to date. That master, so everything looks synced. Let me just, okay. And status has nothing. And so, okay, let's just check. Nothing to commit. All right. So let's see if is there a log here? Function thoughts. Okay, so the log for the branch is okay. So if I do git checkout, okay, so I didn't log the, so I think everything actually is fine. Let's do a test. Let me actually close the R session. Let me clear this. Let me go ahead and actually delete from the project. Okay. So I will clone again. Okay, let's check it. Why does control, copy, and cut just, I don't know, what's the deal? There we go. Okay. Let's look You can't see the layer. Let me add that. There we go. Let's check it. Not here. Huh. So, I'm in the master branch. Let's see. Well, okay. Okay, I'm in the RCode branch. Let's see if that would actually change. Master. Switch to RCode. Well, let's see if that actually does anything. So I'm going to put in okay. Gone ahead and edited that. Let's get the folder out of the way. Git status. Okay. Git commit -a -m. Whoops. Function add or function thoughts. Okay. Your branch is ahead of go ahead and publish local commits. In the log, it is part of the local log. Git checkout master. Git merge with the branch name. So okay, I'm ahead of master, which makes sense. Now I want to do my push. Okay, so I think I did a merge. Okay, so where I messed up was running git merge, but not specifying which branch to merge. And I think I merged only something locally. I moved the head. I would have moved. So the head was on master. Yeah, okay. I'll have to look into that more. But for now, that looks like everything did work. So let's test it. Closing R. Removing forecaster. I'm gonna go ahead and clone again the I can see the comment there, but I'll pretend I didn't. Did I not remove RF? I didn't type it right. Okay, starting from scratch. Git clone, forecaster. Git branch, show me all branches. Oh, not in the directory. Okay, so now I did put the permanent RCode branch in, so that will always be available. And actually look at the log, and there is the comment that I wrote in the RCode branch when I changed the script. And here is the check. And there we go. The code, the edit that I made in the script is there. So that's all I wanted to cover. That's what I spent my weekend learning about, was how to do Git branches and development into appropriate branch names, so that can be stored separately. And I can start developing our code, documentation, plots, all in separate branches. So that's my point. That'll be my plan moving forward. And so this will be a permanent part of the Forecaster project, and making a lot of good headway on it. So I'll at some point be talking more about it, but that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found it helpful, even with a little bit of my troubleshooting included. Bye for now.